So, hi again. Um, okay, okay, nice to meet you. I'm Adrian, Fajardo Cedano. So, this is me because uh, I want to tell you just the the only way to get the um, noticeable meaning about what's maybe language in your culture or in your uh, main decisions that aren't like uh, a controversy. Instead of this, it is like to be aware of those tricks that are for me, my case. So the first question about language awareness is, what is your purpose for studying language? What is your purpose for studying English as a foreign language? So um, my main skill. So um, what's the main purpose? In my case, it is about um, mm, something like um, to be self-motivated by kind of um I don't know. It is like a by avoiding just a the kind of I don't know the social media, some resources, the 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 um just the monitorized ways of just get the rhythm by um, just uh, researching about what's true, or I don't know about um just accuracy in my entire language, but it is almost just the unique point of view of that the South when someone like me um, mm, maybe uh, someone like me expresses like fear or uh, uh, um, motivated thoughts about what's um, just um, moral decision. For example, in my case, I would suggest that I would implement. Uh, mm, I would uh, change my style or the word order sometimes, the structures and the mm, feedback sometimes, but it is about also how I could maybe improve the elements of the um, sense, because in many ways I don't obtain context, so it is basically critical, or uh, it is um, like pinpoint, or is a the secret, because there is no solution sometimes when your life is like eh, traumatized or uh, um, without a purpose, because um, in many ways, in in my case, or uh, by my hand, it would be redirected to um, just books, or the elements which are based on um, the factors that are like um, in without any misconduct or um, maybe uh, available um, grammar in or just the techniques that are without hidden uh, vocabulary sometimes. So it is my observation, my um, advice for you. Second question, regarding the nature of language study, what aspects imply acquiring speaking skills? Mm, Those are the problematic uh, or the unnoticed um, um, I think that it is like an um, um, a warning sometimes, but it is at the same time an award because it has a prize. I- in many cases, to get that skill is like when I comprehend or I achieve in a few seconds what my attempt couldn't replace or just attempt in a control position because it involves such uh, styles um, like a syntax, uh, what morphology, orthography, in, in semantics. It is about diacritics. I mean, it is like the root that involve that suggest that there is no trouble or if the the kind of system should be like different in my perspective. um, I mean, mind, it cannot be betrayed by just a unique um, uh, proofs. I mean, it is in like the uh, excuse me, mathematics or the uh, I don't know. It is like mm, it is what uh, in detach the kind of system that is in regarding to the main steps to do something, or if I could cook a just onions with some vegetables, or if it is like the main a um, strong, but it is as well in a with many hobbies. Okay, then next, after planning your language study and especially to enhance your speaking skills, how can you assess your progress? It, it concerns me because I mean, it bothers me because in just remarkable positions, uh, I mean, in it it vary because it implies a at the same time it is um focused on what you can um reach or just uh, um, I mean, it is like the trick. Yes, you you can comprehend or um, stimulate uh, because it is a. This is why you um a um get when you your vocabulary the um um enthusiasm or the feedback is doing at the same time uh, uh, to get just the appropriate um, decision. I mean, it is about it, it it must be annoying sometimes, but uh, it is the conclusion. So um, without of those just uh, and useful advantages, you could mm, at the same time uh, mm, just I mean, it is like a schedule because um, the first step is when you're reading, yes, but in many ways, mm, um, if I cannot do anything, it at the same time, um, it is like without any direction. I mean, um, many uh, um, I mean, uh, what I can't explain is that there is just a different ways, at least like 19 um, techniques, which are the strategies at the same time. Because when you, for example, um, um, assess your quiz or this um, uh, in undoubtedly I mean a new uh, categorized feature. It is what you suggest to change to replace it. I mean it, it arrives once, but uh, it I mean those those speaking skills won't ever just discussed uh, in a in manner that in a way that is um, focused on the it is throughout just the um, 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 recognition. It is about self-esteem or uh, what you are acquiring. Um, uh, for example, designing examples in a good uh, in just repetition or if in many ways you are lacking or if uh, you uh, for example if you um, destroyed your um, uh, water, it could be seen at the same time by um, just pleasurable I don't know. Mm, those are like uh, my ideas, but it is contrary to um, some education that is in a your mind. It cannot be imagined. For fourth question is, how can you organize lifelong language learning? Mention specific strategies. Well, I promise to keep going every day at least, um, or instead of this, um, uh, mm, um, I mean, I promise you that uh, everything could be and just realized. Um, I mean, I realized that in that point of view, I'm able to analyze what are my uh, settings, my limits, or I cannot mimic everything because it mm, is does i- in a different way. It is uh, different because I don't think I would last uh, so long, too long. I mean, it is mm, it is like mm, it is unsure because in my um I cannot um, memorize sometimes. I mean everything about uh, what is um for example what uh, what I'm doing, for example, to um, analyze. It is just uh, uh, avoidable because in it, it isn't about um, just uh, I mean uh, positivism or uh, motivation. It is concerning to relating to uh, the uh, um, prospect or what I can retain. So thank you so much. I appreciate your company here. So I expect to change at least my own paragraph or my how to say it. It is like speech because uh, I'm just like uh, uh, mature or novice here. Thank you so much. Uh, 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 nice to meet you.